भानु से। भानु
Maadi sata manshantu naan tola vechi melagati errarra nakumuka maadi sata manshantu naan tola vechi melagati errarra nakumuka errarra nakumuka errarra nakumuka errarra nakumuka lari sona
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। हम लोग अभी लोहाजंग से ब्रह्मताल ट्रैक के लिए जर्नी शुरू कर चुके हैं। हमारा चढ़ाई अभी शुरू होंगे और ये सारे ट्रैकर ऑल आर एक्साइटेड। So they all the trekkers will be going to Brahmatal, and at the same time you can see beautiful Nanda Ghumti mountain, the far away.
Hello, good morning. We have just covered 1 kilometer. I have some experience. It's little breathless, but still I'm enjoying the sunshine, sun, wind, and it's cool weather right now. God is great enough to give us a good weather right now. Yeah, you join.
And he's not trekking with me.
Yeah,
He's dumping me here only.
both are the Shiba, loves to pull everyone's leg. So be careful when you go on a trek with him.
Yeah.
Hi, this is Devupriya. We have reached the first resting point, and we walked about 2 kilometers. It was quite a walk. The view was fantastic as usual, and yeah, the entire team is here, and I think everybody is enjoying this. So yay!
We are going to the second rest point right now. It's pretty much steep ascent. But trekkers are doing really great. हम लोग अभी पहुँचने वाले हैं सेकेंड रेस्ट पॉइंट में। वहाँ पे थोड़ा सेब वगैरह खाएंगे एंड देन हम लोग वहाँ से फिर आगे मूव करेंगे बेकाल तल के लिए।
This guy is going to talk now.
Hello, this is Kiran here. Come on, Brahmatal India hikes under the guidance of Tanmay, Jatin, Surendra. We've reached the second resting point and I'm relaxing here under the sun, basking here. Relax. Wonderful sight. Thank you.
காதல் ரோஜாவே எங்கே நீ எங்கே கண்ணீர் வழியுதடி கண்ணே காதல் ரோஜாவே எங்கே நீ எங்கே கண்ணீர் வழியுதடி கண்ணே கண்ணுக்குள் நீதான் கண்ணீரில் நீதான் கண்மூடி பார்த்தால் நெஞ்சுக்குள் நீதான் என்னானதோ ஏதானதோ சொல் சொல் காதல் ரோஜாவே எங்கே நீ எங்கே கண்ணீர் வழியுதடி கண்ணே।
अभी हम लोग 3 किलोमीटर चल चुके हैं लोहाजंग से और अभी एक जगह पे आ चुके हैं जहाँ पे पानी का सोर्स आ रहा है एंड फीलिंग गुड। दिस एरिया इज फुल्ली सराउंडेड बाय ट्रीज, यू कैन सी रोडोडेंड्रॉन एंड ओक से एंड प्रीटी कूल प्लेस आई वुड से। अगर आप लोग आएंगे तो पानी वगैरह भर सकते हैं यहाँ पे। इनफैक्ट काफ़ी देर बैठ भी सकते हैं, एंजॉय कर सकते हैं द नेचर। सो यस, दैट इज़ द प्लेस। विल बी गोइंग फॉरवर्ड नाउ।
So hi, right now we have covered 3.5 to about 3.5 kilometers from Lohajang. We are at the dhaba to drink chai or something. Then we'll again start our journey for about 10 minutes break after that.
And how you're feeling right now?
It's good. The sun is keeping us warm, but there's also a cold breeze which makes us feel good.
Great. आपका नाम जी? भुवन जी, कहाँ से आप?
मुंदोली
मंदोली से।
मुंदोली लॉजिंग।
अच्छा, यहाँ पे कितने दिन के लिए बैठेंगे आप?
हम बैठेंगे फरवरी तक।
फरवरी तक, जब तक ग्रुप चलेंगे। ये एक छोटा सा ढाबा रास्ते में, बिकलदल के रास्ते में। बट मेक श्योर आप लोग जब ढाबा में आएंगे, हैव टी, नींबू पानी और ऑमलेट. Don't have any packaged food because mountain has no municipality, so it is really bad for the mountain if you consume packaged food over here. So it's better to not have if you think about about the nature. Yeah.
मैं खुद देखा हुआ है, आज से 20 साल पहले हो गए वो शादी में, जो जब उनकी शादी होती है, लेकिन कहते हैं इससे पेंट बनते हैं, मसाले बनते हैं।
आज का काफ़ी लंबा दिन था लोहाजंग से तिलंडी के लिए, और अभी फ़िलहाल हम तिलंडी पे पहुँचे। ये बहुत बढ़िया मेडो है, और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते वल्चर वगैरह फ्लाई कर रहे हैं आसमान पे। एंड पीछे उस साइड में दिख रहा है नंदा घुमटी, त्रिशूल, मृगथोनी, माइक तोली, भनोटी पीक, थारकोट पीक। हाँ, मौसम काफ़ी अच्छा है। सो दिस इज़ द कैंप साइट with a beautiful view.
We wander all alone, but we can't deny we are the street light people.
So we are now leaving from the Tilandi campsite, heading towards Chandi Top. It's a beautiful morning, beautiful view, and great team. Feeling excited. Let's see what's up ahead.
And
Yeah, Kiran here. Tanmay has been great help throughout the trek. He's been bearing the brunt of all the trekkers here, and he's been answering all our queries, be it at midnight or at post midnight. Really asset to our trek, and we're happy to have him as a trek leader.
yeah,
Tabletops
there's a 360-degree view.
hours, stone
Blessing in disguise.
To pay respects.
To pay the respect they come here, right?
How's it going, everybody? My name is Ritvik, and we just reached Chandi Top. And it's quite a climb, quite a steep ascent. Probably at like 13k feet right now. And
Kiran accompanied.
Kiran accompanied me. Dr. G's right here.
Hey, no.
And honestly, right now, feeling like I'm on top of the world, literally. And some gorgeous peaks right now that I'm looking at. Mount Trishul and all of its accompanying peaks. It's, I don't know, words can't describe it.
Silence.
Absolutely beautiful.
Silence in by the mountains here.
हम लोग अभी पहुंच चुके हैं ब्रह्मताल मंदिर के पास। ये बेसिकली ब्रह्मताल मंदिर बोलते, पर ये है बेकलनाग का ही मंदिर है, जो पिछले बेकलताल में देखे थे आप लोग। और अभी बस पहुंचने वाले कैंप साइट में, 200 मीटर है कैंप साइट यहाँ से। एंड देन वहाँ पे जाकर हम लोग खिचड़ी खाएंगे। और मैं बंगाली हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा बहुत पसंद करता हूँ खिचड़ी खाना। एंड देन इसके बाद हम आगे वाली एक्टिविटी करेंगे कुछ।
Hey guys, we just reached the Brahmatal Lake. We've been super excited all day long. On the way, we saw Chandi Top, and also Chandi Top main and small. We had a fantastic views of Trishul Mountain,
Nanda, Gunti, and a few other mountains. It's phenomenal view. The weather was great as well, and we had a great teamwork. We just got with our trek leader Tanmay. Tanmay has been a great inspiration, support for all of us. I was a bit scared to descend. I was very careful as I was descending down. It was an amazing experience.
And how was the rolling experience?
Rolling experience was fantastic. I never thought I would do that. I was almost thinking that I'm gonna injure my back. Luckily, I just escaped that. So my wife would love to see that video for sure.
Yeah, you did really well. And behind your, it is a beautiful
Yeah.
Brahmatal Lake.
Brahmatal Lake and nice view. Yeah.
Great. हम लोग अभी पहुंच चुके हैं ब्रह्मताल कैंप में और यहाँ पे अभी टेंट पिच हो गया है सबका और अभी हम लोग खाना खाने जाएंगे। बहुत भूख लगी है, अभी देर बज चुकी है टाइम और सुहाना मौसम है एकदम जंगल के पास मेडो ख़त्म होते ही। सो वी आर ऑल लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड गेट ब्यूटीफुल सनसेट फ्रॉम दिस कैंप साइट। सो लेट्स enjoy the beautiful campsite and the sunset at the evening. Yeah.
Hello everybody, I'm absolutely fine. We are right now at Brahmatal Lake and we are moving towards Brahmatal top. We are all very much passionate about what we are going to achieve in few hours. And I have one thing to say for everyone, Major Saab, Dr. Kiran, that मैं घर से निकला था मंजिलों के समत बुलंद इरादे से, मशक्कत हाथ में रखी थी, किस्मत घर पे रखी थी। I hope you understand. I hope anyone who will watch it will understand and enjoy it. Okay, so
Thank you.
it was great.
How's the Josh guys? अभी हम लोग फर्स्ट रेस्ट पॉइंट में पहुंच चुके हैं कैंप साइट से निकल के और सब लोग पूरे थक चुके हैं ऑलरेडी। नो ये अभी
थक चुका है।
भानु को पूछते, भानु कैसा है?
Awesome, it's an amazing experience.
Great.
I was really scared because as I was just looking down, I was shit scared. It's not about the climb, it's about the scary part. I was just felt slippery at parts and I was trying to pay attention and be really
Yeah,
conservative.
I can feel that. Yeah, conserve the energy. We're about to reach the summit.
उमड़ कर आए बदरा, उमड़ कर आए बदरा, उमड़ कर आए बदरा, उमड़ कर आए बदरा, राखो मुरा कारीवरिया, उमड़ कर आए बदरा, उमड़ कर आए बदरा, राखो मुरा गारीवरिया, उमड़ कर आए बदरा, बादल गरजे मनवा लरजे, बादल गरजे मनवा लरजे, शाम रंग पाई उमड़ कर आए बदरा, उमड़ कर आए हे बदरा, उमड़ कर आए, उमड़ कर आए, उमड़ कर आए बदरा।
Okay, so about this trek, something I experienced is every trail gets difficult every other day, but somehow every other day is easier than the day before. It's because of the views. Like on the first day you are into the forest the whole time, but the last 5 minutes before reaching the camp, you see those big majestic mountains in front of you, like they're standing there. But again, after you leave the camp one, you don't see these mountains, you're again on the ridge. But again on the day 3, after a lot of efforts, the mountains are here again, standing like a king without like unbroken bad wind or anything like that. And at this location, I somehow felt closer to my mom, who I lost like 2 months back. So yeah, this place will have a significant in my heart forever.
Hi everyone, so we just completed our summit and on our way to Jhandi Top, and the view is amazing and there are clouds, it's white out, and yeah, like I couldn't express my feelings but it's amazing.
हम लोग फिर से झंडी टॉप पहुंच के अभी नीचे की तरफ जा रहे हैं खरूराई कैंप साइट के लिए, और अभी भी वाइट आउट क्लियर नहीं हुआ, सो नीचे जा रहे हैं। और बस माइंड मत कीजिएगा कि मेरा चेहरा थोड़ा सा सैड सा क्यों है, जैसे बॉर्डर का डायलॉग नहीं है, रोते क्यों हो, शक्ल ही ऐसा है।
Hi guys, we are about to reach Khorurai, the last campsite for us. It's been 3 days, we've been trekking, we reached the summit today. From there we have been descending, and today we got to see the might of the Himalayas as such, and the mountains. It was a humbling experience for us, and the great thing was the team was together, the team lived up to the expectations. It was supporting each other. We made the hard part. Now we are just about to reach the last campsite. Looking forward to the welcome drink, and thereafter we'll be parting ways, but with lots of memories, lots of experiences, some personal, some like a group experience. And yeah, it's been fun, and these scenic beauty, it mesmerizes you, it makes you feel that what is actually nature is and what we are actually missing out there in the cities, and that makes us want to come back to this place more often and feel rejuvenated, recouped for the mighty struggle that we face in the cities. The hustle bustle of the cities has a lot to do, but this is what nature is. Thanks to India Hikes for making this possible. Thank you. Thanks for that.
Hey everybody, now this is the last morning of our Brahmatal trek. We are at Khorurai campsite. You can see it's such a beautiful campsite in the middle of a jungle. It's a lovely experience. This was my first trek, and India Hikes proved that anybody can trek in this world if you just have that willpower and determination to explore the mountains. Yesterday we saw the huge Nanda Gunti and Trishul and the whole mountain range, and today we are here in the middle of the jungle. It's an amazing experience. Thank you India Hikes, and probably I'll see you next year again. Thank you.
Look at the camera. It looks more of a holy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'm ready.
पर आप भी आओ ना,
नहीं तो मैं यूपी का है।
It was a beautiful morning.
Yes.
Nice. Enjoy with Tanmay.
We're
I'm
about
going to get a lot of physical fitness tips from him now.
He enjoyed with sunlight. That is Kiran, me.
we're about to leave from.
Kiran came with Shiva sir but enjoyed more with Tanmay.
Okay, we are about to leave from Korurai campsite, and you can see Trinkers are unpitching the tent. How you feeling while unpitching the tent, guys? How you feeling?
It's great.
Is this strenuous job?
No,
Not at all.
we are just.
No, it was
Someone is saying yes.
it was a strenuous job made easy by Tanmay. He taught it the easier way.
So we left from the Korurai campsite just a while back. Everyone is in a jovial mood after the summit climb yesterday, where we got a beautiful view. So there was a lot of singing, a lot of fun which is happening. We're taking our time walking through this beautiful forest. And yeah, we're in this beautiful meadow and just taking some time to relax and climb some trees apparently. So yeah, great.
अभी ये 4 दिन में पहली बार हमको वाइल्ड लाइफ दिखा इस जंगल में. आपको दिखाते हैं ओरंग ओटंग दिखा हमको. ये है ओरंग ओटंग.
Hello. So we have reached a place where is a diversion. सीधा रास्ता जाता है बेकाल ताल की तरफ, जहां हम लोग पहले दिन ब्रह्मताल ट्रैक स्टार्ट किए थे, उस तरफ गए थे. और हम लोग अभी कोरुराई से वापस आ रहे हैं. So we are almost reaching Lohajang base camp. It's a mixed feeling. I feel happy that I achieved the summit, but again I don't really want to go back to the Janjeevan back again.
Now we have reached the base camp again. It is a wonderful experience that I started from here exactly and I've reached here. I'm feeling I'm feeling blessed, and a feeling of optimism has surged in me. And especially thanks to Team India Hikes, who were too protective and too supportive during the entire camp. Thank you.
So guys, we've reached Lohajang after 3 days. We've come full circle. It's been a lovely journey, and we are about to go for our debriefing, and then we'll be having dinner. And all of us are a little sad that we couldn't be there up there near the Brahmatal top, but I'm sure we will be coming again and trekking with India Hikes.
ओके, हमारे साथ जो 16 टीम मेंबर थे, सब अपना मम्मी पापा से इंस्पायर होके ये ट्रैक में आ चुके हैं, और देखते इनका क्या राय है.
बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा.
तो आप भी ट्रैक में आइए और मम्मी पापा के नाम रोशन कीजिए.